Hello and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen, Malaysian food and beyond. This week's recipe is Nyonya Fish Curry from the Peranakan cuisine of Malaysia. The Peranakans are descendants of early Chinese settlers who came to the then Malaya in the 15th century and married local Malays. The Peranakans then developed their cuisine by combining Chinese and Malay cuisines. The Peranakan cuisine is also called Nyonya cuisine because food in their community was prepared by their women folk who are called Nyonyas. I've set out the ingredients in the description box below, so let's start cooking. So what do I have for the Nyonya fish curry? 460 grams of Tenggiri fish. Tenggiri fish is called Spanish mackerel or kingfish in English. The Tenggiri fish is a saltwater fish commonly found in Malaysian waters. Next, ingredients that are to be pounded into a paste. 3 stalks of lemongrass. I only used the bottom 2 to 2.5 inches of it. 12 dried red chilies soaked in hot water for about half an hour. 5 cloves of garlic. 1.5 inches of fresh turmeric. 8 grams of ginger and 1 medium-sized onion. Here are vegetables that I will add to the Nyonya fish curry. 4 long strands of long beans, 1 long purple brinjal and 8 pieces of okra or lady's fingers. I will let you know what the other ingredients are as we go along. This is the ground paste. We'll start cooking now. I have my clay pot on the stove on a medium flame. I'm going to add some oil and fry my spice paste in it. I'm adding half a cup of cooking oil into the clay pot. That's 120 ml of cooking oil. Let's fry the spice paste now. Let's slide it ever so smoothly into the oil. We'll now fry this paste on a low-medium flame for 3 minutes. The paste is frying beautifully. Now let's fry until the raw smell of the paste is gone and the paste separates from the oil. The raw smell has gone and can you see the oil is separating from the paste. Now it's time to add some water. 600 ml of water going into the clay pot. Let's give the gravy a stir. We need to add a couple more ingredients before we let this gravy come to a boil. Firstly, 2 pieces of asam keping that I soaked for 15 minutes. In goes the asam keping. This will give the curry its much needed tanginess. Whether it is an Indian, Malay, Nyonya or Indonesian fish curry, a fish curry has to be tangy. Therefore, either asam keping or tamarind must be added. Secondly, 3 tablespoons of fish curry powder. Let's stir this. Now adding salt to taste. I'm turning the flame up to high and letting this curry come to a boil. Now that the curry is boiling, I'm going to reduce the flame to medium and let this curry continue to boil for 4 minutes. 4 minutes are up. The curry has reduced. Now let's taste for salt. The salt is enough. I'm now going to add in the vegetables. The brinjal goes in first. I'm adding the brinjal pieces one by one. I'm adding the brinjal first because brinjal takes a longer time to cook than lady's fingers and long beans. Let's now cover and cook the brinjal pieces on a medium flame for 3 minutes. I have a confession to make. I should have added 3/4 tablespoon of belacan to the spice paste when I was frying it. I'm adding it now, but please fry the belacan together with the spice paste to release its aroma into the paste and adequately flavor the curry. But all is not lost, because better late than never, as they say. Now let's cover and cook this curry. I let the curry cook for 3 minutes, that is 1 minute longer than intended because of the late entry of the belacan. The steam which is hitting my nose now is truly fragrant with the spices. Let's now check if the brinjal is half done. It's little more than half done, so let's add the fish now. The fish pieces are going in one by one, closely followed by the long beans and the lady's fingers. Let's now gently move the fish and get the fish and the vegetables all submerged in the gravy. We can stir a little now because the fish is still uncooked. There doesn't seem to be enough gravy, so let's add a little water, not too much, just 50 ml of water to the gravy. Now let's cover and cook this curry until it comes to a boil. The fish curry is boiling now, so let's add some down kasum. A handful of down kasum going in now. Known as Vietnamese mint or Vietnamese coriander, the down kasum is native to Southeast Asia and is very much associated with Malaysian cuisine. With a strong aroma that effectively masks fishy tastes and a flavor that has been described as a blend of coriander, mint and lemons, this spicy and tangy herb is a must-have in Peranakan cuisine. Let's now cover the clay pot and cook the curry for 3 minutes, still on a medium flame. As you all know, you should stop stirring once the fish starts cooking. Stirring will cause the fish to break up. What you can do is to twirl your clay pot. It's been 3 minutes. Let's check if the fish is done. It's done. The vegetables are cooked as well. This means we are ready for the next ingredient to go in, 100 ml of creamy coconut milk. Let's now turn the flame down to low. I'm twirling the clay pot a few more times to mix the coconut milk with the other ingredients. The last ingredient to go in before we turn off the flame is the bunga kantan, known as torch ginger in English. Native to Malaysia, this aromatic herb resembles a slimmer and sharper lotus bud and is just as breathtaking. The pink variety, like the one we are adding, is most common. The internet tells me that this herb is associated with forbidden love. Did you know that? Used mostly to complement the tangy flavor of curries, the bunga kantan is usually used in fish curries and is regarded as integral to Peranakan cuisine. Adding the cut bunga kantan into the curry now. Of the ginger family, it's described as having a flavor and aroma that is a cross between a down kasum and a lemongrass. As an ingredient, it is used to enhance the tanginess in a fish or other seafood dish. I'm turning the flame off now. Let us now twirl this luscious curry that has been made unique by the down kasum and bunga kantan. Malaysians are lucky to have access to such uniquely aromatic herbs. Let's now dish out this delicious curry. The Nyonya Fish Curry, replete with flavorful and aromatic spices and herbs. This tangy and creamy curry showcases the diverse cultures of Malaysia, a diversity that allows for fusion of cuisines to create a whole new experience in food. Let me now taste this mouth-watering fish curry. There's a burst of unique flavors in my mouth. Simply superb. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again next week with another recipe, stay safe